All right, guys, I got one of the ugliest locks that's ever entered the lock lab, and I couldn't believe it when I saw it. I couldn't make out the trade name. There's so much filth and grime and rust on this. You know, you can make out part of the name right there, but then it looks like the rivet covered up. There's more engraving over here. But when you look at this shutter, which by the way is either rusted or frozen in place, Rolex lock, 4 levers. So when I saw that, I figured that must be what that says right there. A Rolex lock number 104, maybe? I can't make it out. Anyway, just really, really filthy. This thing has been around for quite a while, and it looks like not only does it have these heavy rivets holding it together, but it looks like, let me grab a probe here. It looks like we got some spot welding, or some welding, or maybe, yeah, that's just, I don't know if that's some kind of glue or just years of accumulation of crud blocking it. Maybe somebody tried to waterproof it. I really don't know. That probably would be a mistake to waterproof it. Yeah, it looks like somebody did try to put a bead all the way around the edge to keep the water out. So we all have to come out there. And this thing, I mean, look down in there. I don't have a key for this. And this thing, I'm going to try to just jiggle it around. I'm going to grab my note card in a moment. Now, this is all falling off. So let's just see if we can, yeah. Look at all that stuff. Oh man, I didn't loosen all of that. That stuff was just in there. My goodness. That looks like a little steel pin. That is some kind of steel pin. I have no idea. This block may not even work. Like I said, it's been around a while. I just grabbed it, thought I would try to pick it since I got some new tools from Andy Mack. It looked like one of these would fit, but now that I'm really looking in there, this video may never come to light. There's what appears to be, I think that's a lever, or maybe that lever has come loose because the pin holding it. I don't know. We're going to try it. I don't have to worry about moving that out of the way. All right, so let's just try it. Andy Mack sent me these little tools, and these are designed to tension these type of posted type locks. So all I've got to do is find one that will fit in. That does kind of fit. It won't go all the way though. Try this little guy. He might be too small. There we go. All right, so, all right, it does tension. All right, so, more filth. Let's try to slide him in. I'm going to do this by hand, I guess. So slide him all the way in. Now I need to find one of these tools that will fit. This is my smallest one, and it's a little bit long. So what I'm going to do is shoehorn him in there like that. Then rotate everything till I get that tension. Oops. Come on, line up for me. Okay, now roll it. Probably should put this in a vise, but I have such low expectations here. All right, let's see if we can. Maybe not. I may have to put this in a vise, guys. Sorry about this. My hands just aren't big enough to hold all these different items at the same time. All right, now I can focus on tensioning. Get around the corner here. Tighten. Yeah, those levers might be, that pin that fell out might have been holding the levers, or one of those levers in place anyway. Man, it's mucky in there. Oh, there we go. There we go. I did not expect it. Oh my goodness, look at how cruddy this is. Not like any Rolex I have ever seen. Oh man, that is the epitome of nastiness. Anyway, guys, there you go. the Rolex 4-lever lock. I don't even know where this thing is made. There we go. That thing is covered with crap. And a whole bunch more's coming out of there now that we've got it picked. My goodness. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. And I'm going to go wash my hands. Thanks, guys.